afternoon, everyone. Today we are with Dr. Rupal Dubey, ma'am. She is principal of Vidyapeeth Institute of Pharmacy, Bhopal. Ma'am, welcome to Thoughts on Education interview program of collegedunia.com. Ma'am, please introduce yourself.
Thank you, Sandra. I am Dr. Rupal Dubey, Principal and Professor at Vidyapeeth Institute of Pharmacy, Bhopal. Actually, I associated with this education sector since 15 years. Past experience also having industrial experience, pharmaceutical industrial experience. So I'm in this sector since 15 years and I'm working for the development and the holistic development of students.
Ma'am, you have held key position at Education Institute. What keeps you connected with the education sector and how has your experience been so far with the institute?
Actually, with this institute and with the student, the motivation is only this the quality development and the contribution in the education sector, the positive contribution for the building of the future, which is the future of our nation also. So the ultimate motivation is to develop the quality pharmacist with all-round personality, so they can place themselves in every nook and corner of the world on the highest position of the pharmaceutical industry or in the education sector.
Ma'am, talking about your roles and responsibility, what do you think your roles and responsibility towards the student as well as to the institute are?
First and foremost responsibility to the student, towards the student and towards the institutes is the same, that we should give our 100% dedication with strong devotion, with discipline and determination, and the single thought that we should always work for the development, continuous development of the student and the institute.
Ma'am, how does the course and curriculum of Vidyapeeth Institute of Pharmacy ensure that it is the best practice of industry?
Pharmacy, Vidyapeeth Institute of Pharmacy, Vidyapeeth Institute of Pharmacy is totally aligned with the Pharmacy Council of India. So we are is taking care of each and everything which is advised by or which is directed by the main governing body of the pharmacy courses. So we are following all those norms, we are following all those courses, all those practices which is required for the degree of B Pharm and D Pharm.
Ma'am, what would you like people to know about your institute that they may not know?
First of all, I want to introduce that Vidyapeeth Pharmacy is a new institute which is making his space in this world of pharmacy in central place of Madhya Pradesh, and it is a very good institute with good infrastructure and good environment, which is foremost requirement of any of the institute which is coming in the market. The second I would like to introduce about that, we are having very good labs and infrastructure regarding the various instruments which are required by the pharmacy students, because as we all know, the pharmacy is the practical education. So the need of student is they should practice their hands on various instruments which is required in the manufacturing of drug and manufacturing of different doses form. So we all having very good lab facilities, sophisticated instruments. Secondly, we are focusing on holistic approach of the student. We are not only focusing that giving them a theoretical knowledge, we are focusing on the practical knowledge also. So we are working on the academia industrial relationship model, in which we are planning to send our students after their theoretical knowledge to get the practical experience in different industries also. Thirdly, I just want to tell you that in our institute, we all are focusing on the extracurricular activities also, which is in current generation. We all know that we are our students are very much inclined to the virtual world. Various devices, digital devices are all are captured, and those minds are captured on this world. So we all are focusing to give this all practical knowledge with the holistic development, like focusing on extracurricular activity, focusing on sports also. We also planning to send our students for the different inter-college competition to attend various national and international conferences which are focusing on various hot topics which is leading this pharmaceutical world, and which is after this COVID, we all know that pharmacy education, pharmacy, research is having on top priority, because we all are have to be ready for any kind of pandemic, and for that we all know that we need good medicines and good healthcare system. So we can say ये जो फार्मेसी स्टूडेंट है ये हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम की, एक मेडिसिन सिस्टम की बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चेन है। तो इनके लिए एक वर्सेटाइल डेवलपमेंट पे विद्यापीठ इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ फार्मेसी फोकस कर रहा है। हमारा मेन मोटिव है क्वालिटी एजुकेशन विद प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग एंड इंडस्ट्रियल नॉलेज।
Ma'am, any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring student?
I just as I earlier told you that कि हमारे जितने भी आज की जनरेशन है, जो हम Gen Z कह सकते हैं या मिलेनियल्स कह सकते हैं जिनको हम बोलते हैं, they all are very much digitally focused. They are only focusing on virtual world. So I just suggest कि आप उस virtual world से आके practical knowledge पे focus करें। आप books से connected हो, hard books से, not only that e-books. Books is also are turning the pages in mobile. So I'm not talking about the e-books. Go to the library, connect to the books, because that will change your future. This digital world is the requirement of this generation. But that basic for all this digital development only comes from the knowledge of books we should take. So I am just, this my advice कि हम उस virtual world से निकल के practical world पे focus करें, books से connected हो, practical knowledge लें और उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करें। और पर डे आप अपने आप में क्वालिटी का इम्प्रूवमेंट देखें कि आपने एक टारगेट सेट करें। वी शुड वर्क ऑन टारगेट। हमारे पास हम मॉर्निंग में उठते हैं तो हमें क्या करना है आज के स्टूडेंट्स को नहीं मालूम होता, तो दे शुड माइक्रो टारगेट्स हम कह सकते हैं कि वो बहुत बड़े टारगेट नहीं, आप पर डे का टारगेट सेट करें, उन माइक्रो टारगेट्स को अचीव करें, और जैसे जैसे आप उन माइक्रो टारगेट्स को अचीव करेंगे तो आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा और आप में लाइफ में बड़े गोल को अचीव करने का मौका रहेगा।
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for doing the interview with College United.
Thank you, sir.